Many rotary tables may look alike, but the true test of their quality lies in the design and craftsmanship within each unit, which delivers you the long-term high-precision service that you need. With a strong 30-year background of focused design expertise on rotary tables, Ganro continues to innovate and amaze customers with the quality of the products they deliver. World-class precision and reliability is the baseline for all of the products from Ganro. Ganro's insistence upon in-house manufacturing control has enabled them to partner with some of the world's leading brands. Their investment in globally renowned brands of production equipment, coupled with the extensive machining and assembly expertise of the production team, allows them to deliver world-beating products every time. Ganro has become renowned by its customers for the incredible precision of its products, and this is a direct result of the care that the company takes to make sure that each product is right all the time. With their investment in the very best precision measurement equipment and laser calibration systems, these Ganro rotary tables exceed customers' expectations every time. This investment in QC systems allows Ganro to guarantee the precision you demand, and each product is tested thoroughly at each stage of the production and also after final assembly. Ganro, with its expert product line of 1- and 2-axis rotary tables and a well-earned reputation for excellence, partners with some of the world's most respected machine tool brands. This internationally trusted brand evolved from 30 years of expert development under the Golden Sun Company brand. Now Ganro takes all of this experience to the next level with the Ganro product lines. Ganro's product lines are already trusted and used by world-renowned brands, providing OEM rotary table products to Toyota, Makino and Okuma. Ganro is a global leader in product development for rotary tables. So let's take a look at some of the unique design features that make this line of single and double axis rotary tables world-class high-precision production tools. The special worm gear design and tooth geometry on this rotary table enables you to maintain maximum precision and that new machine tightness long term. Through the easy adjustment feature, the worm gear position can be easily adjusted to ensure that maximum surface contact is maintained with the main drive assembly. Ganro offers its customers not only the highest quality, precision-engineered products, but also the best possible options for the highest possible precision, accuracy and efficiency. So, Ganro offers its customers the option of cross-cylindrical roller bearings on their line of rotary tables. The unique positioning of the roller bearings allows very heavy workpieces to be supported without concerns over deflection caused by the weight of the workpiece on the table. Because of the crisscross layout of these bearings, multi-directional stability and very high precision is maintained for those customers who demand just a little bit more from their machine. The special hydraulic braking system designed by Ganro utilizes increased contact surface area and increased clamping force to overcome the positional accuracy issues that can sometimes be encountered with hydraulic clamping systems. Additionally, the Ganro system removes the vibration issues that can occur during cutting operations on some hydraulic clamping systems. The special design of the high-precision indexing system uses a special bearing system that increases rigidity and delivers long service life in operation. So Ganro has developed the new tooth spacing system that provides consistent accuracy and maintains a precision of less than 3 seconds of arc for superb machining precision. This then gives you a reliable and rugged product without wear and tear issues. Additionally, if hydraulic pressure drops, this design is capable of maintaining stability for cutting operations. Ganro rotary tables bring a long history of design excellence and expertise to your machining. When this is coupled with their latest product designs, new product ranges, and the peace of mind of brand recognition by the world's leading machine tool makers, you have a winning combination for the very best in high precision rotary tables and high efficiency machining.